You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this company, as well as how to say more interesting but confusing brand names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in German it is said as Giesecke Devrient, Giesecke Devrient. In English, however, it is generally referred to as Giesecke and Devrient. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.